Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make simple and delicious ground beef and broccoli.
Ground beef and broccoli is an easier twist on your traditional beef and broccoli. It's a much simpler version that comes together very quickly, and it's so flavorful, my kids just love it. So let's get started.
Begin by mixing together 6 tablespoons of soy sauce with 6 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of water in a bowl. Mix everything until well combined. This is going to be our sauce for our simple stir fry. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and cook 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. Cook until cooked through. This will take about 4 minutes. I love how versatile ground beef is. You could use it in so many different recipes. I usually like to buy it in bulk at Costco because it's fairly inexpensive and good quality meat. I put them in individual Ziploc bags, about a pound and a half each, and I place them in the freezer. That way when I'm ready to cook, I just pull it out and thaw. Remove beef, drain, and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and saute 4 minced garlic cloves. Cook for about 30 seconds. I totally grew up on stir fries. It was always a part of my mom's meal rotation. She would just cut up some steak or chicken and throw it in a pan with veggies with some soy sauce, and I remember loving it. It was just one of those quick meals she whipped up after working a long day as a nurse. Add the sauce mixture that we made earlier and return the beef back to the pan. Add about 3 cups of broccoli florets. I think I have about 4 cups here because we love broccoli. Stir and cook until broccoli is slightly softened but still has a slight crunch to it. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. You guys are gonna love this quick and easy version of beef and broccoli, and I find it much easier than using steak. It's one of those meals that you can quickly whip up on a weeknight and it satisfies everyone. For some spice, you could add some red pepper flakes or chili garlic sauce. My kids aren't fond of spicy, so I just usually add it on my own dish. And as always, I have the full written recipe for you in the description below. See how quick and easy that was? And of course, with stir fry, you need some steamed rice. And not only is it easy, it's so tasty. I feel like my kids will eat anything cooked in soy sauce mixed with a little bit of brown sugar. Can't wait to dig in.
If you guys love this recipe, don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.